babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am so in love with this mani. Do you know when you have an idea and you kind of like don't think you're ever going to pull it off, but when you do and it just looks amazing, you're just over the moon. That's what happened with this one. I had this idea in my head and I actually got to pull it off, and I just absolutely love the colour shift in this mani, the fact that you get different looks in different angles, and to me it's the perfect Northern Lights look. And I created that using some of Born Pretty's products. So this is going to be a special video today, as it's Born Pretty's 9th anniversary. I can't believe they've gone for 9 years already. So, you know, big congratulations to Born Pretty. So they've very kindly given me a bigger discount code that I can offer you between the 10th to the 16th of October. So instead of getting 10% off your order, you can get 20% if you use my discount code GEL10. And the items are going to be discounted as well. So you're going to be able to get those much coveted items, as I'm sure this one will be, for less price. So I was going to do both of these plates in this one video, but in the end I decided just to do the Northern Lights, and this other plate, which is actually a Nicole Diary one that Born Pretty sell, I will do in another video. I'll hope to do it between the dates of the 10th to the 16th. But if you like the look of this even without me swatching it, then, you know, add it to your basket if you're going to purchase from Born Pretty. So as with all stamping plates, you do want to remove that blue film before stamping. So I know it's Born Pretty anniversary, but I really liked these 5D polishes that I'd got from Madame Glam, and they just had a bit more colour in it. So that's why I chose to use these. So I'm actually going to be applying 2 of Madame Glam's 5D cat eye polishes. So that one was aptly named Northern Lights, and this one is Parisian Night. And I'm going to be adding that to the other half of the nail. So this one's kind of almost, they've both kind of got like a chameleon look anyway, where they're different colours in different lights. So you want to get some magnets. So I'm using these 2 round magnets, as you can see here, and just sort of manipulate the polish till you're happy with the look that you want. And it is best to apply this over a black base as well, which is what I've applied these over the top with. So I'm just going to show you one more time. So I kind of got it roughly in the place that I wanted it. Then to kind of activate that 5D a little bit more, you want to kind of swipe the magnet. Don't get too close, obviously, because you don't want it to fully cover the nail. But once you see the colour kind of pop a little bit, like I am showing you here, so you can see how it's more vivid now. And then just to neaten it back up, bring one magnet in at a time. And just, wow, look at that. And that's what I did with the rest of the nails to proper get that, you know, Northern Lights sort of colour pop in the middle of the nail. So, I mean, how simple was that technique? But seriously, it's just so stunning, especially when it's outdoors, and it doesn't necessarily have to be sunny either. That colour change was done outside on a rainy day. If you look again, you'll see the raindrops coming down on the nail. And then I'm just taking parts of this image. Now, because these images are really fine, I didn't bother trying to clean it off beforehand, just because it dried too quickly and then it didn't transfer properly. So I just, you know, I'd recommend you just put some liquid latex on around your own nails, pick it up and just stamp, and then use some, you know, nail polish remover to get rid of the bits that you don't want afterwards. That is, you know, my tip with this plate. So that is all of the nails all stamped all together. So I love the waviness. It just sort of brings the design all together. And then to finish it off, I am using this image here. And again, with this one, because I'm just using the solid image, I could get off the bits of the top, because obviously you don't want that messing up what you've already stamped. And then that's what I did. Basically, I applied these trees to the base of all of the nails, just sort of did it in different orders just to add a bit of variety. And this is the end look, and I am just over the moon with it. So please let me know your thoughts on this mani. If you want to recreate it, I would love for you to do so. Tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious, and I will repost your recreations on my Instagram stories. So I really hope that you enjoyed this real cute, simple Northern Lights mani. Please let me know in the comments box below what you think and whether you're going to benefit from the sales that are going on for Born Pretty's 9th anniversary. So that is it from me today. So thank you, Born Pretty, for sending me these products out to review. I absolutely love them, and I look forward to using more of the images off the plate in a future video. And like I say, just don't forget to use that code if you do decide to purchase anything today. Press that free subscribe button if you've not done so, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.